Hi guys, so welcome to this presentation by Audio Direct. Now, you know that we're always trying to seek the latest gadgets and gizmos for you guys in the in-car entertainment industry, and we think we're onto a bit of a winner here. Lots of our customers with their Bentleys have been suffering from the head units that come with the slightly 1 or 2 year old generation GTCs and Mulsannes, Mulliners, so on and so forth, Continentals. We're going to give a comprehensive list of what vehicles this kit fits, and we are the exclusive guys here in the UAE who have this. This is something rather special. You can see we're unveiling it in the boot of our car so that we get total exclusivity for you guys. So you have to bear with me while I struggle with one hand filming, but you'll very quickly get the idea of what this is. In fact, we'll come to the kit last, that'll be easier, but suffice to say, all cables in there, USB actually for programming, correct CAN bus for all your steering controls as well. Everything works. This is a proper piece of kit. Brackets as well for the kit which I'm about to show you, and of course the camera link for those of you with the cameras, which will be just about everyone on these fantastic cars. This is the actual item in question. As you can see, absolutely fantastic. This thing is made for your Bentley, and it's made to such a high quality. It's unbelievable. Very, very heavy piece of kit considering its size. Full metal bracketry and correct plug and play for all of the ancillary items, so on and so forth. Very, very nice piece of kit, and this is something that's gonna go down like absolute hotcakes. There's not a Bentley owner in the UAE who's not going to want this piece of trim. So, ladies and gentlemen, exclusively through Audio Direct, you're going to be able to order this. Thank you very much for watching the presentation, and get your orders ready.